Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I'm going to sculpt a horse in Blender. I'm going to sculpt a horse in Blender. Very easy model of a horse. Anybody can model this. I'm not going to fast forward this video. I'm going to explain each and every steps in this video. I'm not going to fast forward this video. So let's start. First, this is default cube. I'm going to add one modifier, subdivision surface, and I'm going to apply 4 times, and here I'm going to apply shade smooth. So I have something like this. To go in scale mode and just scale it like this little bit. If you want if you want, you can also rotate it like this here, like this, and then press shift D to duplicate, click on y-axis and again rotate it like this. So we have something like this. I'm going to We have something like this. Okay, let's put it here like this. And then again, I'm going to click this shift D to duplicate, and I'm going to make ears of this horse like this. And I'm going to put like this here, like this. So this is our ears of the horse. Little bit. I'm going to press shift D, and then again I'm going to rotate it like this. So this is going to be our horse ears. Okay, can move it little bit here like this. This is also okay. Now this is fine, I think. Now this is fine. So this is our basic shape of a horse. You can also rotate it little bit like this, scale it little bit. Okay. Now what we have to do is we have to combine this object as one object. So for that, select all this object and then press Ctrl J, and here the pivot has moved here. So for that, right click, set origin to 3D cursor. No, origin to geometry. Click origin to geometry. So we have something like this. And now for again press Control A and click on all transforms. So we have something like this. Sorry. And now we have to apply the smooth of all the object. Go in edit mode. Okay. So we have applied the smooth. Now go in sculpt mode and then grab a grab brush here. This is a grab brush. We have to grab this brush and then turn on the X symmetry, and then what we have to do is we have to just shape, press F for our brush size, and just shape our object little bit. I'm going to shape it randomly. Now we have to combine this object as one object. For that, go here, press R for remesh, Okay, going sculpt mode, press R and then decrease the size little bit, press R and then press Ctrl R. Okay, so this is all now combined as a one object. We have to, if we have to grab, we have grab that this. So now this all is one object. Now select the grab brush and just shape our model something like this. I'm going to shape something like this. If you have to smooth, press shift and then we have to smooth. For here, click draw shape, draw sharp brush and then put one line here like this and then smooth it little bit. Then press F again, decrease the size and then again we have to F, increase the size. Like this we can refine the shape little bit. So we have something like this. And now for nose and ear, I'm going to select inflate blush and then I'm going to click here, hold control and I'm going to click and drag like this. I'm going to right click and increase the strength little bit. Right click, increase the strength. Then I'm going to click and drag here like this. For nose, little bit. Okay, I'm going to decrease the size of a brush. I'm going to undo this. I'm going to decrease the size little bit of brush and then I'm going to press again control. Okay, and for ear or eyes also I'm going to press control here. So we have something like this. For ears also I'm going to press control here and then so we have something like the grab click on grab brush and then if you want you can grab it like this little bit here. Also you can grab it little bit here also. Okay, we have something like this. So go in object mode and then add one UV sphere. Right click shade smooth. I'm going to click and drag the sphere around here, right here, like this. Click on the sphere and just click and drag here like this. Here also press Ctrl D to duplicate and X click and drag here like this. So we have something like this. Now what we have to do is we have to go in, select this object, we have to go in sculpt mode again and now click and drag on sharp, draw sharp brush and then click, uh, select the grab brush and just okay, I'm not selecting grab but select grab brush and just click around here like this. Press F, increase the size of a brush and just select like this. If you want, you can also select a grab brush, increase the size, and then you can do like this if you want. Press Control and then select the draw brush, press Control. Again, select the grab brush. So we have something like this. For this part also you can increase little bit here like this. Select the draw brush and you can also select grab brush, move it like this. And now again click on draw brush, sharp draw brush, draw sharp brush, and then here again I'm going to decrease the size of a brush by pressing F, and that's I'm going to click and drag here like this. Again I'm going to click F. This is very easy model of a horse. Anybody can model this type of models. Okay, so we have something like this. Grab brush and then again select the draw sharp brush and then draw it here like this. Again select grab brush, F, decrease the size and select like this. So we have something like this. So we have something like this. So this is our horse. If you have more time, you can adjust more shape and you can create a very decent looking horse. But I am doing for video purpose, so I'm modeling it quickly. You know what I'm saying? Sure, sure. Okay, so we have something like this. Select the grab brush again, decrease the size of a brush. Okay, so we have something like this horse. If you want, you can also click, select sharp draw sharp brush and click and drag on this nose like this. Select the grab brush, press F. Oh, go in top view. Here also you can adjust the shape little bit. I am using a reference in my second monitor. You will think that I am not using reference, but I am using a reference in my second monitor. That's why I'm going to I'm able to do a sculpt like this. Always use reference to create any model or a sculpt. So right now we have something like this shape. And now for haze. For that I'm going to click on mask. Where is mask? Mask, and then I will go in this position, and then I'm going to paint, press F, and then I'm going to paint it like this, and then I'm going to press Control I to invert the mask. Control I, And then I'm going to select the grab brush and just I'm going to grab it like this. And then I'm going to press F again to increase the selection. And then I'm going to click and drag like this. Press F, select it with grab brush, and then I'm going to select it like this. And then I'm for rotation, I'm going to select this twist brush, and then I'm going to twist it little bit like this. Then again I'm going to select the grab brush, and then I'm going to grab it like this. I'm going to press F for clearing the mask. I'm going to now clear the mask by using Alt and M. Alt M to clear mask. So we have something like this. This is also simple horse model. Anybody can model this. This is a simple horse model sculpted in Blender. Anybody can sculpt this type of model. Decent horse model. For I'm going to grab this again. So we have something like this. So this is very simple horse model. Now I'm going to paint. We can paint this also like this. Okay, sorry. You can also paint it like this. Our horse model. I'm going to add a different color for the press F. I'm going to add for here I'm going to go in data and then I'm going to add one here basis. I'm going to rename as HHH and then I'm going to go in shading object mode. Click here, go in shading mode, press new, shift A. I'm going to search as texture coordinates. No, texture coordinate. No, I'm going to press shift A. I'm going to search as image texture and I'm going to I forgot it that let it be. Shift A, image texture, new, and I'm going to select this. Okay, let it be. Go in layout. There is a way uh, to use this pen texture as a texture image. You know what I'm saying? Click here, add HHH, go in shading, Shift A, texture coordinates, texture coordinate, no, attribute, color attribute, color attribute, and here okay, let it be. Go in layout. I'm going to just add a new color. Select this sphere, add a new color, add. Here also. So that's it, friend. Here is a very simple model of a horse model in Blender. Model no sculpted in Blender. This is a very simple horse sculpted in Blender. You can also view it in this position and this. You can also add painted texture also, and then you can also texture paint this horse. Let's texture paint this horse. First, we have to do unwrapping. Let it be. That's it for this video. I hope you guys like this video. This is a very quick model of a horse sculpted in Blender. I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this. Also some gameplay of some game which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.